Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Part 3. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. 1. Vicious, adjective.
Zalimana. Badi. Fasik. Badkirdar.
Deliberately cruel or violent. Example, a vicious assault. Synonyms, brutal, ferocious, savage, violent, dangerous, ruthless, remorseless, merciless. Antonyms, gentle, kindly, benevolent. 2. Prevail, verb.
ताकत में होना. गालिब. मुअस्सर. राइज होना.
Prove more powerful or superior. Example, it is hard for logic to prevail over emotion. Synonyms, win, win out, win through, triumph, be victorious, be the victor, gain the victory, carry the day. Antonyms, fail, forfeit, lose, surrender. 3. Vociferous, adjective.
ऊधम मचाने वाला. शोर से भरपूर.
Expressing or characterized by vehement opinions, loud and forceful. Example, he was a vociferous opponent of the takeover. Synonyms, vehement, outspoken, vocal, forthright, plain-spoken, frank, candid, open, uninhibited. Antonyms, silent, quiet. 4. Jettison, verb.
तर्क करना. दस्तबरदारी.
Abandon or discard, someone or something that is no longer wanted. Example, the scheme was jettisoned. Synonyms, dump, drop, ditch, discharge, eject, throw out, empty out, pour out, tip out. Antonyms, load, keep, retain. 5. Enact, verb.
तदवीन करना. फरमान जारी करना. कानून वज़ा करना.
Make, a bill or other proposal, law. Example, legislation was enacted to attract international companies. Synonyms, make law, pass, approve, ratify, validate, sanction, authorize, accept, give the seal of approval to. Antonyms, repeal. 6. Stipulate, verb.
शर्त लगाना. बयान करना. राजीनामा.
Demand or specify, a requirement, typically as part of an agreement. Example, he stipulated certain conditions before their marriage. Synonyms, specify, set down, set out, lay down, set forth, state clearly, demand, require. Antonyms, break off, calculate, confuse. 7. Envisage, verb.
तसव्वुर करना. गुमान करना. सोचना.
Contemplate or conceive of as a possibility or a desirable future event. Example, the Rome Treaty envisaged free movement across frontiers. Synonyms, foresee, predict, forecast, foretell, anticipate, expect, think likely, envision, intend, propose. Antonyms, actual, existent, existing, real. 8. Plethora, noun.
फरावानी. बुहतात. शिद्दत.
A large or excessive amount of something. Example, a plethora of committees and subcommittees. Synonyms, excess, abundance, overabundance, superfluity, surfeit, profusion, more than enough, too many. Antonyms, dearth, lack. 9. Disdain, noun.
हिकारत. तहकीर. तौहीन.
The feeling that someone or something is unworthy of one's consideration or respect. Example, her upper lip curled in disdain. Synonyms, contempt, scorn, scornfulness, contemptuousness, derision, disrespect, disparagement. Antonyms, admiration, respect. 10. Inferior, adjective.
अदिन. कम रुतबे वाला. कमतर.
Lower in rank, status, or quality. Example, schooling in inner-city areas was inferior to that in the rest of the country. Synonyms, lower in status, lesser, second class, second fiddle, minor, subservient, lowly. Antonyms, superior, senior. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.